Hello again YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's another month and you know what that means. Another wagon. So this is the latest one I put together. I put one together last month, which I half-assed recorded filming. So go ahead and watch that and check out this video my phone recommended of last month's progress. Started out the month playing with this 1966 VW Bug. And then we jump back on another wagon project. Wagon videos before, you know where we're going with this. Getting rid of all that. Getting rid of all this. It's just pretty far gone. So kind of patchwork type design, hopefully, maybe. We'll see how it comes out. All right, cool. So I got the tub patched and this is how it turned out. So I finished up a couple more projects and I did get to play with a wagon that I haven't seen in quite a while. So that was pretty fun and I made a video about it. We installed some Safari windows on a 59 crew cab and went for a nice little cruise. We got to get out to the Volkswagen Spring Fling, see a lot of cool Volkswagens, a lot of different stuff, display some art, just have a really good time. Alright, that's it. We've come to the end of the video now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, I ask you to go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos. I'm building a lot more stuff, but it's kind of hard to get it all into videos here and there. So if you want to see more, definitely go down to the description section, check out the Instagram, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.